Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is exercise 6D. Exercise 6D. Page number 166. D3. Okay, find the gradient of the line parallel to this line. So we have to find the gradient of an other line who's parallel to this line. So the condition is that if two lines are parallel, then gradient must be equal. So the gradient of that line is, what is the gradient of that line? We will write just the gradient of another line that is parallel to this line is 8. And here the gradient of an other line that is parallel to this line is -1/2. This is for B part. This is for A part. Okay, now find the gradient of the line perpendicular to this. Okay, now here for perpendicular to this line, what we have to do for this? The product of these two lines, what is condition for perpendicular line? Product, or I will write like this, M1, M2, product of these two lines must be equal to -1. Okay, so what will be the slope of that line? So gradient of perpendicular line is, this is 3. Okay, this is 3. So gradient of another line is, must be -1/3. So if you will take the product of these two number, it answer is equal to -1. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then now, yes, Ramisa. Because here condition is that perpendicular lines. Okay, find the gradient of the line perpendicular to this line. Now, this is the A part. Now, what will be the B part? Think about this. M1 is -3/4. So, what will be M2? It will be 4/3. Because when you will multiply M1 and M2, -3/4 and 4/3, the answer must be equal to -1. Got it? So this is the slope of given line and this is the slope that is asking here. Okay? Yes, got it? Can I move next?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, the coordinate of 4 points. 4-point coordinates are given. So according to these coordinates, find the value of k if the point.
Miss,
Yes. Yes,
Miss,
why?
can we go to the B part above?
Above. Okay.
Miss, how is M2 4/3? Can you
Because
explain?
we have to take that number. If we will multiply this slope with this slope, the product should be -1. Okay. So I am taking the reciprocal of this number with opposite sign. Same I did here. I took the reciprocal.
Miss,
Yes,
how do you know M2 is equal to 4 over 3?
that I am talking about. This slope, first slope is minus 3 over 4. This slope is minus 3 over 4. Okay. We have to take the opposite of this number, 4 over 3, and also with opposite sign. Also with opposite sign. This is also M1. This is also M2. If you will multiply M1 with M2, what is the answer? M1 is 3 and M2 is minus 1 over 3. When you will cancel out, it is minus 1. Okay. So here we took the same 3, but for the other line, we took 1 over 3 with negative sign. Similarly, it is minus 3 over 4. This is 1 over 3, 3 over 1. So I took minus 1 over 3. Similarly, it is minus 3 over 4. So I took opposite sign, means here it is minus. So I took positive 4 over 3. So when we will multiply these both slopes, we will get minus 1. Is it clear now?
Yes, miss.
So it's mean when we have two perpendicular lines, their slope is reciprocal, opposite with opposite sign, and also the reciprocal of the other line. Reciprocal means the opposite. Fraction will be switched. Okay. And also with the opposite sign. If there is a negative sign, you will write it as positive. If it is a positive sign, then you will write it as negative. Got it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, let's do if we have this type of question form, but we don't have any this type of questions in the examples. Okay, for your practice, let me do another questions. I'm writing a slope. I'm writing an equation. Y is equal to 5x plus 7. Okay. Tell me another line who is that line is perpendicular to this line. Tell me the slope of that line that is perpendicular to this line. It's just for example. Tell me slope of the line that is perpendicular to this line, this given line. Yes. So what will be the slope of that line? Yes. The slope of this line is 5. Okay. So the slope of an other line that is perpendicular to this line is what it would be?
Miss, minus 5.
Minus 1 over 5. 1 over 5, not 5 only. Okay. Now another example. Uh, y another line that is 4 over 5 x plus 9. Okay. Tell me the slope of the line that is perpendicular to this line. I'm writing also here minus. So the slope of this line is m1 is minus 4 over 5. So what would be the m2? Yes. Yes, Rumisa.
Yes, miss.
Miss 5/4.
He's saying right. Misa,
Let me check.
what is the slope of the line that is perpendicular to this line? And its slope is minus 4 over 5.
Miss, I'm getting minus 3 over 2.
Why 3 over 2? Because slope is here is minus 4 over 5. So if we will take, what are you, which number you are telling me? 3 over
Minus 3
minus
over 2.
3 over 2. Okay, look. If you will multiply minus 3 over 2 with this slope, so what will be the answer? 2 2s are 4, and its answer is plus 6 over 5. But its answer should be minus 1. So how you can find minus 1? If you will take slope 4 over 5, just switch this slope. For perpendicular line, just switch the slope and also take the opposite sign. Now look at here. This is slope m1 and this is slope m2. So what is the answer? It is 1,
Minus
1,
1.
1, 1, minus 1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now take another example. Y is equal to 1 over 2 x plus 3. Okay, give me uh, the slope of the line that is perpendicular to this line. Tell me. Slope of this line is 1 over 2. So slope of another line is, that is perpendicular to this line is,
1.
Miss, can I tell?
how you can say it's 1? Rumisa, it's very easy. 1 over 2. So just switch 1 over 2.
Miss, minus 2/1.
Yes. It is minus 2 or 2 over 1. Look the pattern. Look pattern here. 5 over 1. So we will take minus 1 over 5. Okay. Minus 4 over 5. So you will take opposite sign 5 over 4. Here similarly 1 over 2. So you will take 2 over 1 with opposite sign. Got it? And similarly minus 3 over 4. And you are taking 4 over 3 with the opposite sign. Here 3 over 1 and you are taking minus 1 over 3 in first part. Look the pattern in all questions. Slope of perpendicular lines. Okay, now the last is for your concept. Okay, now here y is equal to I'm taking 3 over 2. Now is for clearing your concept is okay this. Okay, now tell me the line of this slope is given slope. The line of this slope. the slope of this line? Slope of this line is 3/2. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me a slope of another line that is perpendicular to this line.
-2/3.
Yes, -2/3. Hope you understand now. Okay. So slope of perpendicular line means the product of slopes of two lines must be equal to -1. On the other hand, the slope of parallel line is always equal. Yes, got it? Now, the next one is the coordinate of 4 points are 0, A, B, C. Find the value of K if the point A, OA and B are collinear. OA and B are collinear. It's mean what we have to do. Collinears mean they are at the same line. Okay. The gradient of OA and gradient of OB must be same because they are on the same line. Look, if I will make here a line O A B. So O coordinate is 0 0, A coordinate is 2 3K, and B coordinate is 4K and 6, and C is also given. So these, but OAB are collinear. Only OAB are collinear. It's mean they are on the same line. So same line slopes are also equal and parallel line slopes are also equal. So it's mean we will take the distance of OA and OB, that is must be equal. Okay, OA is 3K minus 0 over 2 minus 0 is equal to 6 minus 0 and 4K minus 0. Now here it is 3K over 2 is equal to 6 over 4K. Cross multiply and find K. Cross multiply. If you will multiply, 12K square is equal to 12K. So K square is equal to 12 over 12. It will be plus minus 1. So K value is plus minus 1. I have to write here K. Okay, K value is plus minus 1. We have to find only the value of K because it's mentioned here. Find the value of K. Okay, so K value is plus minus 1. Okay, OA is parallel to BC. OA is parallel to BC. So it's mean here OA is the line that is parallel to BC. So slope of OA must be equal to slope of BC. Okay. Or we can write it as gradient of OA is equal to gradient of BC. We have to write like this, B part. Gradient of OA is equal to gradient of BC. Okay, according to this, how to find the slope of OA and BC? So OA are 2 points. So the slope of 2 points we always find by applying the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you will take point O and A. O is 0 0 and A is 2, 3K. Okay. Now B is 4K, 4K and 6. And C point is 10. This is B and this is C. C point is 10K and 7. Okay. Find the slope of these two lines and write them equal. So it is 10K minus 4K over 7 minus 6. And similarly here we will write the slope of these two lines is, the gradient of these two lines is, okay, now it is 3K minus 0, 2 minus 0. So 3K over 2 and this one will be 6K over 1. Then how to find it? Am I right? No, because y2 I have to write 7 minus 6 first. Then 10 minus 10K, 10K because second point is in the numerator 4K. Like this. Okay, now here it is 1 over 6K. Now cross multiply, so it is 18K square. K square is equal to 2. Then K square is equal to 2 over 18. And it will be K square is equal to 1 over 9. That is K is equal to plus minus 1 over 3. Okay. Now the slope of these two parallel line is equal. So we have to find K. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, why? Is it clear? Why?
Yes.
Okay. Now question number 4. The coordinate of 3 points are A, B, C. Find the value of K if A, B is perpendicular to B, C. Okay, now what we have to do? Yes. What you are understanding from this point, this situation, this condition, the coordinate of 3 points A, B, and C. Find the value of K if AB is perpendicular to BC. How to find? Because AB is perpendicular to BC. Slope of, look at here, M1 is slope of AB and M2 is slope of BC. Okay. For perpendicular line, what is the condition? What is condition for perpendicular lines?
To have the slope of the parallel line?
No, in parallel lines, slope is equal. Look at here. We put both slopes are equal here. The gradient of OA and OB is same. But for perpendicular line, what is the condition? Because in parallel lines, slopes are always equal. But in perpendicular lines, slope of two lines, how we can identify that both lines are perpendicular? If the product of their slope, the product of their slope is equal to for
Minus 1.
-1. Yes, it is -1. It's mean slope of AB, find slope of AB, M1 means A, take A and B point. A point is 1 and 1. B point is -1 and 4. Okay, so slope is 4 minus 1 means the gradient. -1, -1. So 3 over -2. Okay, now slope M2. M2 of B and C. B point is -1 and 4. Okay, and C point is 6 and K. So the slope of these 2 points is K minus 4 over 6 plus 1. So it will be K minus 4 over 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Now put these both slopes here, 3 over minus and K minus 4 over 7 is equal to -1. Okay. Now it is 3 K minus 4, 7 twos are 14, and it will be cross multiply and we will take it on other side. It is -3. Minus sign can be directly cancel out. It is 3K minus 12 and 14, and then 3K to 14 plus 12 is 26, and K is, what is K value? What is K value now? K value is 26 over 3. We have to find K.
8.6.
Okay, 8.6. Okay. So this is enough for today. Question number 4. And recap of this lesson is the product of two slope is equal to -1. Then we say that both lines are perpendicular. And also we can say the slope of two perpendicular line product of slope of two perpendicular line must be equal to -1, and the slope of two parallel line is always equal. This is the summary of this lesson. Slope of two parallel line is equal to, both are same, but for perpendicular line the product of these slope must be equal to -1.